of you have submitted it yesterday. Some of
Did
them
you see mine?
Yes, I have seen
Both.
everyone's. Yeah, those who have submitted. Mostly, all of you have submitted. Some of you have still not given. So that is fine. Okay, today I will be giving another assignment for the next week. Okay, so complete it and send it by Wednesday. Okay, anyone is facing problem in solving the assignments?
No.
No problem, that is fine. Questions are
Can you show the missing digit subtraction one once more?
you want the answers?
No, I just wanted to revise, ma'am, a bit. I have confusion.
You have confusion. Okay, next class I'll just check your answer. I have not checked. Some of you had doubts that when nothing is written, then what is it? So when nothing is written, it is understood that
zero,
it is a zero. Yeah, it is a zero.
I wrote 0.
Yeah.
I didn't wrote it.
See, somewhere answers were of 3 digit and nothing is there. In place of 4th digit, it is understood that it is a 0. Okay, because 0 is left. We don't write 0 on the extreme left of the number, right? You don't write 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. You don't write now. So that is why when the 0 is there on the left hand side, we don't write it usually. Fine. Okay, understood everyone. So what we did in the last class, anyone remembers?
We did missing digits.
No, that was
And multiplication.
Multiplication of large numbers.
Yes, we did multiplication of large numbers.
numbers.
So that means 4-digit multiplication we did. Okay, so is it clear everyone how to do multiplication, 4-digit multiplication or 5-digit multiplication? Rashda, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today we'll do division, how to do big divisions, 3-digit division, 2-digit division. How do we proceed and what are the techniques? The techniques are similar as you do. You have already done 2-digit division or 1-digit division.
Yes, ma'am. I have done 4 and 5 also.
Okay, you have done 4 and 5 also. Fine. When the divisor is 3-digit, that also we'll practice. Okay, and then we'll do some word problems, which has addition, subtraction, division and multiplication, all the operations. Fine. Okay, I'm sharing the screen.
Ma'am, we have to write something in a notebook.
Yes, you will have to write it in the notebook. So keep your notebook and pens ready. Okay. So this is another magic square. You have to fill the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 and 9 to create some magic squares. Each row, column and the diagonal should add up to 15. Okay. So what is the trick in this? The trick is, see, 5 is already given. So that means combination of tens you want, right? Combination of tens are what? 5 and 5?
9 and 1.
Correct. So one is 9 and 1. Other combination? So
4 and 6.
5 plus 5. 8 and 2. 5 plus 5. 8 and 2. 5
okay.
plus 5.
So suppose
7 plus 3.
I write
1.
9 and 1 over here. If suppose I write it like this.
8 and 2.
Okay, wait, I'll write it differently. Okay. Suppose I write 9 and 1 over here. Now, what are the other combinations?
8 and 2. 8 and 2.
8 and 2.
8
6 and
2.
4 and 6.
4.
7 plus 3. 7 and 3. 7
7
and 3.
3. 6
And
plus 4.
And 7 and
7
3.
plus 3.
7 and 3.
7 and 3. But still, I'm not getting it over. So here, so I have to change the arrangement. Okay. So again, because see, 15 I'm not getting in the last line. So I have to arrange.
This is 14.
Okay. So suppose I write here 9 and 1. Now where will I write? Where will I write?
Ma'am, put 7 down. Ma'am, put 7 down.
7 here?
Yes.
Somewhere
Okay.
down.
If I write 7 here, then I will put 3 over here.
3.
Okay. Now what will I write here and here so that it makes 10 over here? I have other two combination here. It should be what it should be. Another combination 7, 3, 9, 1 done. So what are the combinations?
Ma'am, 6. 6, 4. Ma'am,
6
6.
and 4. So
6
suppose,
will 6 come down.
so 6 I will write over here and 4 I will write over here, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now what is left? 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13 and
2.
2.
Plus 2.
Is it 15? Just check here.
Yes. 2
Yes,
plus
this is
7
15.
plus 6 is 13 plus 2, 15.
Yes. So what
Yes,
will
ma'am.
I write over here?
Um.
What is left? Which
3.
number?
8.
No.
8.
8.
Ma'am, 8.
No.
8 is left, and now 8 plus 1, 9 plus 6, 16. Now just check all the lines and the diagonals. Is it 15? Just check this line.
Yes.
This is
8
15.
plus 2 is 10 plus 5. Yeah.
Yes, this is also 15. This is also 15. And this one is also 15.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have done it correctly. Any other pattern also you can do. Just rotate this square and you will get different patterns. Okay. But the combination, you can write 7 over here and 6 over here. Like that also you can write 7 over here and 6 over here. Just rotate this square, you will get the patterns, various patterns. Okay. So this is how we solve the magic square. So many patterns are there. You can have so many patterns. This we solved for one pattern only. Okay. Now division of large numbers. So this is a small question here. Divisor is this. This one is divisor by which you divide. This is called as dividend. This is called as
Quotient
and this is called as
and remainder.
so all these four
Quotient is the
quotient is the answer and remainder is also answer. Answer when you are
remainder. We will write that remainder is
huh.
Write the answer like this: Q8 and R3.
answer is 8 and remainder is
8.3.
You have to
8.3.
specify like Abdullah
Ma'am,
said, you have to
division is easy, but I don't understand the thing of zeros, like where to put
I'll
the
be
zero
doing
up
I'll be
and
doing it.
down.
I'll be giving you the rules how to proceed with the division because it happens sometimes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
why we don't put decimal here and 30?
Because we are not doing decimal right now. We are just doing division. When we come to decimal chapter, then I'll explain the decimal divisions. Okay. Many of you don't know how to divide in decimals. Okay. You can put over here decimal, but don't do it right now. Just erase it.
Disable annotations.
I'm doing that. I forgot to do this. So I just a moment. I'll do this.
Ma'am, we have to write it in our notebook.
Just
Yeah.
erase this first.
We have to write it in our notebook.
Ma'am, I am writing this in my notebook.
Don't write this question.
I want
Don't
to
write
write
this
the
question.
diagram, the divisor and the quotient. I'm
Okay,
writing.
now this was a simple question. This everyone knows how to do. The 75 divided by 9, so 9 8s are 72, and then 3 is the remainder. Okay. Now when we get a bigger question, suppose this is a question 2754, 5 digits are there. 15 is the divisor. Okay. All of you just mute yourself. Let me explain, and when I ask you question, then you okay. Still, I'm getting some background noise.
Ma'am, can you go a little?
And can you go the back slide? We have to copy that.
Don't copy that. You will copy this. Okay, that is a small question, so don't copy that. See, first listen. Let me explain you, understand, and then you write down. Okay. So divide 2754 by 15. Now 15 is the divisor. 2754 is the dividend. Now what we'll do, first step is first check the first number. What is the first digit? It is 2. Now 2 is less than 15. So I cannot divide 2 by 15. So I'll check the next digit. What is the next digit? 27. So 27 is greater than 15, right? So I'll take now 27. First I'll take 27 and I'll divide 27 by 15. So how much you are getting? If you divide 27 by 15, what is the answer? 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are is 30.
12. 12.6.
Just a minute. So 15 twos are is 30. 30 will not come over here. So 15 ones are 15 you will write. Okay.
And then we will minus.
Yes. Then you will subtract. After subtracting, 7 minus 5 is 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. This is your remainder after subtracting this. Now what I will do, I will write the next digit.
We will carry it down and then
So it comes over here. Now you have 125. Now I will divide 125 by 15. Now 15, how many times you will go? Because 15 8s is 120 and 15 9s is 135. So 135 is greater than 125. So what will you do? You will take 8s and which is less than. So always check that your remainder should always be less than the divisor. Now when you subtract, see, first time you got 12, which is less than 15. Second time when you subtract 125 minus 120, you got 5. Again 5 is less than 15. That means you are going in a correct direction. 5, what number is left now? 4 is left.
We will carry it down and then we will minus it.
Not minus. You will again divide it by 15. After carrying the number down, again you will divide. Now 15 3s are 45 because 15 4s is 60.
Then we will subtract and then it will come 9. So the remainder is 9.
And now no other number is left to bring it down. So your answer is quotient 183 and remainder is 9.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Zuveria.
Ma'am, if we put two numbers together down, so the zero will go up, right?
You cannot put two numbers together down. Okay? So if this number, suppose I have a question here. If my number is, suppose a smaller number is there. If you have put down and you have a smaller number. For example, suppose 2, 0, 3, 4 is there and I am dividing it by 2. Okay? So first one is 2 ones are 2. Remainder is 0. Now I'll bring a 0. Next digit is 0. Okay? So I'll put a 0 over here. But both the zeros, you cannot divide 0, right? So you will put another 0 over here because 2 zeros are 0, correct? 2 zeros are 0. So it will go. I'm not writing one more step. You'll now bring another number. Since you are bringing two numbers together and two numbers you will bring only when this number is less than the divisor. My 0, 0 is less than divisor because your dividend should be greater than divisor, right? Then only or equal to.
Ma'am, I'm not understanding anything.
I'll explain it once again. Just let me explain this once. So this 3 comes over here. Now 2 ones are 2. Remainder 1. Now you will bring 4 over here. Now 2 sevens are.
Can I ask?
Yes, just a moment. Let me complete it and then I am explaining you once again. Yes, ask Ibrahim.
Ma'am, if there is here 0 and then I don't understand that zeros are 0 and then we subtract. So that method is not clear to me. And
okay. See, there are 2 methods to remember.
And I wanted to ask that if we can take 2 arrows down ek because sometimes it happens that it is equal. So we take it down.
Equal may you don't take it down. Lesser may you take it down.
Oh.
Okay. Let me see once again. Okay, let me explain this question once again. Let me write it properly and then I'll explain. Aisha Kazi or Aisha Aga, who has not understood 2034 divided by 2. I'm just doing it a simple question.
Aisha Kazi.
See, 2034. Who else has not understood?
Ma'am, Aisha.
Yeah, Aisha
Me
Aga.
too, ma'am.
Ma'am, do we have to write the example 1 divide 2 7?
Do it on your own. You can do this, just do it on your own. Now see, 2 ones are, this is clear, 2 ones are 2. Okay, Humaira, is it clear? 2 ones are 2. Why do we see? First, we need to check the first digit. Now, first digit is equal to the divisor. So, I will take only first digit. Okay. If first digit is less, in this case, first digit 2 is less than 15. So, I had to take the second digit also, because your divisor should be greater than the, dividend should be greater than the divisor. So 27 again here, but here only 2 I can take, because 2 ones are 2 goes and 2 is equal to 2.
Sometimes
so you can take
if the
only
divisor
first
is
digit.
15 and the first digit is 1 and the second digit is 5, so 15 ones are 15
Correct.
and the sum
Then you
is
will
very
take
short.
2 digits. Yes.
Sum
Then
is very short then. 15 ones are 15, then we minus it, then that step comes that 0, zeros are 0.
Can you write somewhere else? I am not able to see what you wrote.
this one you are not able to see. 2, 0, 3, 4. Then 2 ones are 2. Okay?
No, I
And
can't see it.
Who is not able to see?
Ma'am, Aisha.
Why? I'm writing on white color. Rest of you, are you able to see?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
It's
Yes,
clear. Why it's not
ma'am,
clear to
it
you?
is so clear. It is so clear. Ma'am, why did you erase it? I didn't write it.
I'm doing it over here. Aisha is not able to see, so I'm writing it over here. Now, if you divide it, you will check it. Yes, write it. 2 ones are 2. Those who can do it on your own, please complete it. 2 ones are 2. Answer is 0. If you subtract it, this is the normal method. What next digit I will bring over here? 0. Okay. So what I was telling, 0
Yes,
will
ma'am.
you just do 2 zeros are 0. Okay. So 2 zeros are 0 is fine. Now subtract it, you get a 0. So next digit I'll bring is 3. Okay. So now 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 is what? 1?
1. And
What
4
next
will
digit?
bring down. So 2,
Correct.
2 sevens are 14.
2 sevens are 14. So my answer is remainder 0.
And quotient 10,
Quotient is 1017.
1017.
Is
And
it
how
clear?
come remainder is 0? 14
Because
is left, na?
14 to 2 sevens are 14 I did na.
Ma'am, no, see the remainder came 14. You carried the arrow down. Then what you did, I'm not able to see that.
2 sevens are 14 I did. 14 minus 14 is 0. Always remember, at each step, check the remainder. At each step, your remainder should always be less than the divisor, 2.
Ma'am,
First step
I
is
did
0.
the ma'am.
Speak one
Ma'am,
by
the
one.
remainder should never be more than the quotient. It means if
No. Remainder should never be more than the divisor, not quotient.
Ma'am, but how come it will be more than the quotient? Because it is so big now. The quotient
It's okay,
comes
na?
so big.
Ma'am, when you put the 3 down, why under the scene the 2 came?
Because 2 ones is 2.
Ma'am,
I wrote 1 over here. Normal division I am doing. 2 ones are 2.
ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes, yeah.
Ma'am, I
Can't understand.
that
15
divided by 275.
Yes, yeah. You will have to.
Can you listen me?
No, I didn't hear. Your voice was breaking.
Ma'am, I got the same answer for the divide 2754 by 15.
205. Yeah, correct answer then. Very good.
What you wrote 14 and then 14 minus what?
14 minus 14 is 0.
I can't see what you wrote there on the blue line.
Who is asking?
Ma'am, Aisha.
Where you are not able to see?
14, you wrote 14
I'm
minus
telling you, no,
4.
write 14 minus 14 equal to 0. I'm telling it. So write down that.
Yes, it is so easy.
Ma'am, we have to do this sum in a notebook or in any page.
in the notebook. Always do questions in the notebook. I'm erasing it.
So
Now,
we can refer it for the
we'll
exams.
do some more question. We'll do some more question. Then you will understand how we do division. Division is very important.
Give something tricky now.
Now there is one rule in division. If you want to check answer for division, what we do? Dividend should be equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Can you check this in here? What is divisor? Divisor is
Yes,
50.
ma'am, I know this method.
Yes, so you can check whether you have done your division correctly or not. Can you check it? Just multiply 15 into 183. What is your answer? 183 into 15. I want to see who does it first. Nobody is doing, I can see that.
Ma'am, what did you say?
You have to multiply 15 into 183. And what is the answer? Yes, Rashta, what is the answer?
So we have to check the one you wrote or this one.
Notebook.
Ma'am, I got the answer. It is, ma'am, I got the answer.
What is the answer?
2,745.
5. Add 9 in that. Add the remainder. Plus 9. What is the answer you are getting?
Ma'am, 2745.
2745 plus 9. What is the answer?
2754.
2754.
2754.
So you got this answer. That means this quotient is correct and this remainder is correct. So this is the method to check your answer whether you have done your division correctly or not. So
Not there. Can you tell again?
write down this law. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is your way to check whether you have done your division correctly or not. Okay? So if you multiply 15 into 183 and then add 9 in it, you should get 2754. And you just now check that you got.
Wait. I want to write.
So everyone just write down this
I'm
thing.
ready.
This is your method to check dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So sometimes in the exam it is asked divide and then verify whether your answer is correct or not. So then you will use this method, this formula. You should get 2754 after multiplying 15 and 183 and then adding 9 to it, the remainder that you have got. If you are not getting the same dividend, you are not getting, that means your division is wrong. Understood? If you don't get this dividend, that means your answer is
Ma'am,
wrong.
I did the question which you did now, ma'am. You told to do. I did it correct, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So do it on your own now. Those who are not getting it.
Ma'am, dividend is equals to divisor. So we have to plus dividend for divisor.
No. Dividend is equal to divisor into 183. First, you have to multiply.
We have to do 15 multiplied by
183 and then you will add 9. You know the rule, first should be multiplication.
For sums.
Yes.
The answer should come as a what is written in the dividend.
Okay, next question. Division of large numbers now. Divide 730201 by 9.
2754, no?
2754.
And we have to do this as a homework or now?
No, right now you do and give me the answer. And those who are not able to understand, then I will do it here. But first you solve it.
Ma'am,
I want answer from everyone. Remainder.
we have to divide.
Divide, yes. 730201 by 9. I'm just writing it over here. You know, this one is divisor. It is clear, na? This one is divisor and this is dividend. Everyone do it independently and I want to see who is doing first and correct. You can check your answer yourself also. Okay? Okay, start doing it. Muhammad Muhammadi, do it. First number 7 is smaller. So you need to take 73 together. First digit anyone has done? What should I write first? 9
8.
how many times?
8 ma'am, 8 72.
8 is 72.
Yes. Okay, complete
82.
your complete, then I'll ask. Now I'm not doing.
Ma'am, we have to do this.
Ma'am, the quotient is
Acha, who got answer?
ma'am, the quotient is 81133 and the remainder is 4.
8133 and remainder you got 4.
81133. 81133 and remainder is 4.
Okay. Anyone else has got? This is Abdullah's answer. Anyone has got?
Ma'am, I got the same.
Who? Muhammad? Muhammad? Who has got? Muhammad Saqib?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Muhammad Saqib and Abdullah has already solved. Rest. Muhammad Saqib, yeah, I cannot see. You got this answer, na? Say 81133. Let me check, because I don't know what is the correct answer. Okay, yes. Yes, I can see.
Ma'am, I also got 81133 remainder 4.
Okay, good. So all of you are getting same answer. Rest. I want answer from everyone.
Got 81133 and the remainder is 4.
Okay, those who have already done.
8113 remainder is 4.
Who
Ma'am,
already
can I
done
do
now?
it on the screen?
Ma'am, double 3 is there, 1 3 is there, double 3 na? I wrote double 3. 81133.
811.
To the next question, 336735 by 30.
The quotient is 8133 and the remainder is 4.
811.
Okay,
Ma'am,
next
I am
question.
checking it.
81133.
See, the solution is over here, 73. Then 1 comes in the remainder, 0 comes down. 9 ones are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. 2 comes down. 9 ones are 9. Those who have already done, please do the next question. Divide 336735 by 30. And those who have not done, the solution is over here.
Ma'am, 30 is the
Divisor.
dividend.
Divisor. Smaller number is divisor. Rashta, you are not doing?
I don't understand.
What division you have not understood? Yeah, Rashta, you need to ask, na? Which one? This division you have not understood?
Yeah.
What you have not understood? You know the small division, you know how to do? Small
I also got
division?
that
Same
811.
method you have to follow. First digit, now listen here. 7 is smaller than 9. So you need to take 3 also because 9 cannot divide 7, right? So I need to take another digit, 73. 9 ke table mein you will go till 9 8s are 72 and what is 9 9s are 81. 73 you cannot divide 81, subtract 81 over here. So I'll put the just previous number which is 9 8s are 72. This only you do in normal division, right?
Yes.
Yeah, Rashta? So 73 minus 72. Let me explain once. Umar. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now, next digit will come down. So when 0 comes down, your total number is 10. Now, again 9 ones are 9 because 9 twos are is 18. 18 cannot be written over here because 12 ki mein se you cannot subtract 18. So 12 minus 9.
I got the answer.
Just a moment.
Ma'am, I got the last.
Just a moment. Let me complete. 12 minus 9 is
Ma'am, can I
3.
tell the answer?
What is the next digit, Rashta? What is
Ma'am,
the
can I
next
tell the
digit?
answer?
After 0? No, after 2, next
Ma'am.
digit is 0. Correct?
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Now you will continue. 9 3s are 27 because 9 4s is 36. So 30 minus 7, 3. Next digit 1. And 9
Ma'am.
is just after 4,
Ma'am, I know the
left
answer.
over here to come down. So
Ma'am.
the remainder.
Ma'am, I
Clear
have
now,
completed.
Rashta?
Yes.
So now do this question. Yes,
One-
Abdullah, what is the
Ma'am,
answer?
11224.
Quotient
11224.
2, 3,
11224.
11224.
Remainder is 15.
Okay, yes.
And also we have to write.
Yes, also you have to write this. Without writing, you will not understand. So everyone.
Ma'am, I want to say something. Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, Muhammad. Yes, I can see.
Ma'am, I was telling that
Next question. See, I'm giving you smaller digits now. Now, next slide, I'll be giving you bigger numbers. So first, practice for small 2-digit numbers.
Ma'am, wait.
If anyone has still not understood, please ask. Juveria, are you getting the answer? Vatul, are you getting the answer? Anas?
Yes, ma'am.
Please don't wait for the answer on the
The
board.
answer is,
Yes,
the
Juveria, yeah,
answer
fine.
is, ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm telling the answer.
Answer for this one?
11224,
Yes.
that I did not get.
Okay. 11224 is the quotient and
12 threes
remainder
are
is
48. So this is the 0 zeros wala method.
Who said 12 threes are 40?
12 threes are 48, ma'am. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 48.
12
Ma'am.
threes are
48. 36 na?
then that's why I was waiting.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
do we have to
It is clear.
Okay, do it
ma'am,
now.
do we have to do the 31 or we have to do the 12 one?
This one, 12 one. 30 not done yet.
No, ma'am.
Second question is this one and third is this one. All questions you have to do. Hamza, are you there? Hamza, Hamdan, I cannot see you. Yeah, Hamza, did you understand the division?
Ma'am.
I have explained it.
I didn't understand the 30.
This one
Ma'am,
you
I
have not
didn't
understood.
understand the 30. I didn't understand after you write 30, after that I didn't understand.
This one.
Ma'am, we will write 12 fours are 48. 30, no, after that.
Yes, 12 fours are 48.
I didn't understand.
Same method you have to follow. Take 33, 31s are 30, 3 is remainder, 6
I
comes
understood
down.
that, but I didn't understand under that.
This one. Again 31s are 30, 6 comes as remainder, then 7 is the next number which comes down. 67, so 32s are 60.
Ma'am, I have got the answer. I have got the answer. 4685. 4685 is the quotient and remainder is 8.
No, 406087.
Okay, check.
The
Both of you, Muhammad and Abdullah, check your answer using the rule that I have given you, whether you have done it correctly or not. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Check it. Whether you are getting this number 488242.
I think the answer correctly. I'm confused in this. See, ma'am,
Okay.
12 fours are 48. Then we will subtract it, so it comes 0. Then we will carry 8 down. So
Correct.
8.
You have to put another 0.
Yeah, 12 zeros are 0.
How do we do check, ma'am?
How do we check? So 8 minus 0.
Speak one by one. Let me tell you how you need
8
to check.
minus 0 is 8. And then we will carry 2.
Ibrahim, please wait. Listen. How will you check? First, you will multiply 12 with the quotient you have got. So, multiply the quotient and this 12. And then you will add the remainder. Okay? Do this and see whether you have
Can
got
you
the
show
correct.
the answer of this? I'm not getting only.
First, check it. I want to see. You check it yourself whether you are getting it correctly or not.
I'm showing you. We will carry it down. Then after that, what we will do?
Okay. This question you are not able to do.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
I did 3 times. but
40687.
Then add the remainder. Now everyone, Aisha, Aga and those who have still not understood, please pay attention over here. Again, I am explaining it. What 2 digits I'll take? 12 fours are
Ma'am, I got the answer
Okay, let's
of
check
the
it.
488244 divided by 12. So the answer is 40687.
Okay, Suveria,
The quotient is
40687 is the answer, ma'am.
listen everyone.
Not writing the quotient, ma'am.
Everyone be quiet. Those who have got the answer, you have to check yourself. Multiply 12 by the quotient and add the remainder. Are you getting this number? Abdullah, did you get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you check
Yes,
your
ma'am.
quotient remainder?
Yes, ma'am. I did.
Okay, I'm doing it here. See, 8 comes down. So 8 will be here. 8 you cannot divide because it is smaller than 12. So I have to bring another digit, 2. 2 digits
Ma'am,
I
you're
am
not
bringing.
writing the quotient, ma'am.
I'm writing it over here. See, I'm writing it over here.
But
Okay.
that's more confusing.
I'm writing it over here. So 12, how many times?
Ma'am,
82?
got the answer correct.
12, how many times is 82? Aisha? How many times?
6.
82 will not go. 12, 6 are what?
12 6 are
Due to the arrow
72.
could not come exact down. They could not come at the same time.
Understanding the 12 part.
Okay. Then here it is 10. I'll write 4 over here. Now what I'll write? 406. 12 how many times?
How 72 came?
12
How 72 came? 12 zeros are 72.
No. You have brought two numbers together. So 0 I have to put.
Yeah, so 6. 12 6 are.
Ma'am, I got the answer 40687. Ma'am, I got the answer 40687.
Okay. Now
Not the same answer.
10 by 14. What is the remainder?
104 minus 96.
What is the remainder?
84.
This 4 has come down. This will come down. Now 84 how many times?
7.
7, ma'am, 7.
So this is the answer.
Understanding the one which you just did.
See, this is the method. Copy down this method and then understand in the recording how it is done. Okay? Because 10 times I have already explained it. Understood this? So this is only the method and this way only you have to do. Unless you do it in your notebook, you will not understand Aisha. So please do it in your notebook on your own. Then only you
Ma'am,
will
I did it
understand.
on the notebook.
Ma'am, I did in my notebook.
So see how I have done. You have to do like this. Then you will understand.
And the remainder is 0.
Ma'am, is this okay?
Ma'am, I got the answer
I cannot see.
406. I checked the answer.
Yes. See, this should be the answer. Check your answer on the board.
It's right.
40687 and 0. Okay. And another method I have told you to check, which was there in the previous slide. Those who have not got, please write down the question and do it and see what you have not understood. Please try to understand. This is a simple way that you have read earlier also. Same method you are going to follow. Okay. Now next question is this one. 968727. Mera, are you doing?
Yes.
968727. See, without doing maths, you will not understand. So please, everyone, do the questions. And if you are not able to complete it in the class, please do it at home. You have the recordings. All of you can see the recordings. Take down the question and complete it at home. Yeah, Mohammadi, did you
The
get
answer is
this question by 25? Yeah, solve it. Solve it. 25 ones are 25. It will go once. Because 25 twos is 100. So 25 ones are 25. Yeah, Aisha. Which question you are doing? This one or this one?
Ma'am, 25 threes are 75 and 25 fours are 100 now.
25 threes will go. 25 threes are 75.
I wanted to ask, see, ma'am, 25 threes are 75, then we subtract it. See, ma'am, 6 minus 5 is
1.
possible. Yeah, 1.
And 9 minus 7 is?
9 minus 7 is 2.
So 21 is less than 25. That is correct. Bring 8 down.
Yes. Then 2, 1, 8. Then 25 fours are 100. So we will
Ma'am,
25 fours
25 8s are 200. Yes.
25 8s are 200.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm not getting
Aisha Kazi, you got the answer? Show me your
I'm
notebook,
not
Aisha.
getting 25's answer.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
Oh, what is your answer, Abdullah?
3749.08. Ma'am, the quotient
Muhammad
is
has done.
Ma'am, the quotient is 38749 and the remainder
Yeah,
is
38749 and the remainder I got is 8.
You got 8? Okay.
Yeah, I got 8.
Okay, let me check with the solution.
38751 and the remainder is 2.
Ma'am, I got the remainder
38749 and remainder is 2. Check
Yes.
where is the mistake. Check your mistake. 25 threes are 75. 96 minus 75 is 21. 8 comes down. See, I'm explaining. Aisha Aga, see, I'm explaining once again. Please listen over here. 8 comes down. 218. 25 8s is 200. Because 25 9s you will get 225, which is greater than 218. So 25, you need to multiply and check. Okay? If bigger numbers are there, you need to multiply. Okay, one more technique is there. If you don't know the table of this number, then what do we do? You just check. See, this is 9. So first check the first digit and check this digit. 2 4s are 8 and here 9 is there. So you can try 25 4s are. If you are not getting 25 4s are, if you are getting greater than 96, check 25 3s are and you will get 75. Understood? If you don't know the table,
I got the answer 38749 and the remainder is 2.
yes.
Is it
Correct
correct?
answer. Yes, correct answer.
Yay! This was
Aisha Aga, did you understand this now? How do we check? You check first digit and this first digit. Okay, if you don't know the table, you check this 4 twos are, so 4 times you will check 25. You will get greater, then you will check 25 threes are. Then you will get smaller. Okay, so you have to write and multiply and keep on checking it. So all of you have noted down?
Juvaria is calling you.
Yeah, Juvelia?
Can you show one time? Can you show how to check the answer?
Okay.
Ma'am, I have written how to check the answer.
You have written, everyone has written the formula.
To get the answer,
Wait, Aisha. Okay. Which question do you want me to check? Which question? You tell me.
25.
This one. Okay. My this thing is quotient is 38749. So multiply 38749 into 25. Everyone multiply 38749 into 25. What is the answer? Everyone multiply it. 38749 into 25. Umar, what is the answer? Play with your Rubik cube later on. Please do this question.
968725.
25. Add plus 2. Add 2 in it.
27.
This answer you got?
968727.
So that means your division is correct. You got dividend, right? your formula is dividend is equal to what? Divisor into quotient
Ma'am, I did the.
plus remainder.
Ma'am, I did the.
We have to
I checked the answer for the only the first one.
Yeah. What are you telling?
So the only checked the answer for the first one.
It's fine, but you should know how to check the answer, okay? Because I gave you the answer, so it is already checked over here. You're getting the correct answer. Okay, can we move to the next slide then?
And can you give homework first?
I'll send you homework on Google Classroom, division question.
You will send
Go on the other slide.
don't send the word problems. It is too.
No, not sending the word problems. Sending.
The other slide. 1 minute.
Ma'am, next time we will do word problems of multiplication and division.
I'll first, because you have still not understood division, so we need to practice 4 division. I'll be giving you more division questions. So at home, Aisha, Aga, please, in this week, means 1 more day is there, no? So please practice these questions and understand what you are not getting it, okay? So next class, when I give you question, everyone from
We will
everyone
do
I want the answer.
also.
Humaira, Rashda, all of you, please practice at home so that next class you are able to do it in the class also. Fine. Hamza? Understood, Hamza? Okay. Next question. Now this is simple question 275625. A very small question. Please solve this question.
Mom, can you go back 1 minute?
Yeah, everyone first let them write the question, then I'll go back. Everyone has written this question?
No, ma'am, wait.
Ma'am, the answer is 55125.
Did you solve it, Mohammed?
No, ma'am, it didn't. 55125.
Show me the answer. Show me your notebook.
Abdullah Saqib is helping him, ma'am, maybe.
No,
His voice was coming. That's why.
my mom is talking with my grandmother.
Okay. Show me your notebook, Abdullah, Mohammed.
Ma'am, me?
No, Mohammed Saqib, he has solved. No? You have solved, Mohammed Mohammadi, you have solved? Those who have solved can show me your notebook. Okay, Aisha, see the previous slide. Sorry. This you wanted, Aisha?
Done, ma'am.
Tell me the answer, Abdullah.
Answer is 55125. 55125. There is 0.
55125 answer is 0.
I got the answer 55125.
Show me your
Remainder
notebook.
0.
Got the answer. 55125.
Reminder 0.
Ma'am, I also got reminder 0. 55125.
Okay.
Ma'am, see my notebook. Ma'am, see my notebook.
Can you
I have done.
go back to that question?
Ma'am, see,
Ma'am, Yahya Rizwani has done.
and Ibrahim Rizwani has also done.
Ma'am, Ibrahim is using calculator.
I don't have calculator.
Have your mobile, you can use in your
Rashda, can you show me your notebook? You're not doing.
Ma'am, see ma'am.
Please show me your notebook. How many questions you have done?
Ma'am, 5, 4.
Everyone be quiet. Yeah, Rashda, but you are muted. Please unmute and answer.
And 1. Ma'am, I have done all the 5 questions.
Wait, Rashda. Wait, Ibrahim and Yahya. Yeah, Rashda, what are you telling?
Telling.
Understand.
Still not understood?
5, 10, 15, 20.
Can you watch the recording after the class? When the recording is
Yes,
out,
ma'am,
please
I don't also understand.
So please watch the recording and do see. I can see you people, you are not writing. I can see Aisha Aga is writing, but Humaira is also not writing. Rashda is also not writing. When you don't write, how will you understand?
Ma'am, but
Previous questions,
Humaira
your questions will be different. you have to understand the technique. You are not focusing on the technique. The technique is same. But for that, you will have to write it and understand what we are doing.
Ma'am, but Humaira just now gave the right answer, but she didn't understand. How did she give the right answer, ma'am?
That's why I was asking her to show me the notebook. She didn't show me the notebook.
No, she is copying which we told.
So those who have still, because this is very important, and once again, if you tell me what you have not understood, I can clarify which portion, what point you are not getting. Rashda, you told that you have understood. When I give you question, you say you don't understand. So you need to clarify where you are not understanding.
Yes, it's your problem.
No, it's not her problem. It's everyone's problem. That is fine.
Ma'am, I wanted to say something.
Ma'am, I got the answer. It is
See our year also, and our year also, and our year.
See,
Ma'am, do you want to see my?
Everyone
ma'am,
just
I
be
have
quiet.
also. Ma'am,
Last time, once again, I'm explaining. The class is getting over. Those who have
Yeah,
still
so you
not.
know how to solve
I
a
got
Rubik's.
the answer.
Okay, good, Zubaria. See, once again, I'm explaining. Those who have not understood till now, please pay attention now. Please, everyone. Those who have not understood. So you just check 2. I cannot take. Why I cannot take 2? Can you tell me why I cannot take 2 first? And why I am
Because
taking
2 is
27?
smaller than
Not,
because 2 is
be
smaller
quiet.
than 5 and it counts.
Because 2
I'm
is smaller
asking-
than 5.
Can I go to the washroom?
I am asking, yes, you can go. I'm asking Rashda, Aisha, Humaira. Yeah. Why I'm taking
Ma'am,
27, Rashda? Why I'm taking 27 and why I'm not taking 2?
Abbu, I decorated it. It is a
Correct.
big number.
Yes, 27 is greater than 5. So I have to take 27. 2 I cannot take because 2 doesn't come in 5 table. Okay. So 5, 27. So 5 5s are, because 5 4s I cannot take. If you take 5 4s are 20, your remainder will be 7. 7 is greater than 5. Remainder cannot be greater than the divisor. This is divisor. So that is why 5 5s are 25, which is just less than this number 27 that I have to take. So 5 5s are 25, because 5 6 is 30. You cannot subtract 30 from 27. So I have to take 25, which is 5 5s are 25. Now you will subtract. Next step is subtract. Write the remainder 2. 2 is less than 5. So this thing is correct. Now which number I'll put down? 5. Next number is 5. 5 5s are 25. Remainder is 0. Which number is left? 6 will come down. 6 is greater than 5. So 5 1s are 5. Remainder is 1. 2 comes down. 5 2s are 10. Then 2 is the remainder. 5 comes down. 5 5s are 25. That is your answer. This is the simple method that you have to follow. Is it clear now?
Ma'am, I can understand.
Now please watch the recording and please understand. Next class I'll be giving you questions, and all of you, I'll be asking questions from Aisha, Rashda, Humaira, Anas, Muhammadadi. They have not answered in this class. Hamza, Hamdan, all of you, please revise. I'll be asking you questions in the next class. Okay? So
I have answered.
Who? Anas, okay, Anas, I have solved. Anas, I can see your answer. Fine.
Ma'am, don't stop share 1 minute.
Time is over. Huh? You have another class. Can I stop sharing now? Please don't copy. Do it on your own.
Yes, ma'am.
When you copy, you will not understand.